Welcome to HSK2 reading part. So 21 is shui. Shui is water, and this is milk, so it's wrong. 22 is du is read, so that's correct. 23 is 工作. I don't think they are doing job, so I think that's wrong. 24 is 睡觉. 睡觉 means sleep, and yes, she's sleeping, and that's correct. 椅子 is chair, yeah, that's correct. Let's go to the second part. 我很喜欢这本书. I really like that book, so it's E. So 26, 这些都是张小姐的。张小姐的。Let's get back to this later. I don't know which one is 张小姐的. So 27, 没关系，不会做，没关系。So 没关系 no problem, 不会做的，没关系 means if you cannot no problem, so it's B. 27 is B. 28, 10月前我回来，再见。So October, I will come back. Bye bye. So I think it's C. So 29, 28, 对不起，今天天气太热了。Sorry, today is really hot, so it's D. 30, 妈妈，我不爱吃这个菜。So mother, I don't like eating this, so it's F. So 26 is A. Third part. 医生在哪儿? Doctor, where is he? So nar means there. 31 is C. 32 谁在说话? Who is speaking? 后面的 at the back. So 32 is E. 33 李先生是什么时候来的? When is Mr. Lee is coming? 昨天下午. Tomorrow afternoon. So 33 is B. 34 我们去下面吃人. We go down and eat. You can say F. And 35 那基本数怎么样？谢谢，都很好. So I think 35 is A and 34 is F. Let's get to the fourth part. 我在中国了4年了，我在中国住. I'll live. So in China I've lived 4 years. So it's 36 is B. 37 爸爸下雨了，我们怎么回家？出嘛？坐. 37 is 坐. So father, it's raining. How we go home? 坐 is sit. 出租车 is taxi. And mine's a question word. 38 来这儿学习汉语，我很高兴. So it's, let's get back to 38 later. Let's go to 39. 你请我看电影，不客气. So this is谢谢你请我看电影.谢谢 is thank you for letting me watch television, and then the guy said thank you. Let's go to 40. 你认识他？他是谁？他是我的学校。你认识 is do you know him? Who is he? And then the girl said he is my classmate. So let's get back to the 38 is A. 38 is A. Nang is like able to come here learn Chinese. I'm very happy. That's it. Thank you for listening.